Introducing the Advanced Witness Series AWS-30050 Intellect Torque Tester, a powerful and versatile testing solution designed to meet the rigorous demands of today's production facilities. This state-of-the-art torque tester combines exceptional accuracy, user-friendly features, and robust construction to elevate your quality control processes. With a range of 5 to 50 Oz in, the AWS-30050 Intellect Torque Tester is ideal for testing a wide variety of applications, from small electronic devices to intricate mechanical assemblies. Its bidirectional capability allows you to test torque in both clockwise and counterclockwise directions, ensuring comprehensive evaluation of your products. The user-friendly interface features a large backlit LCD display, making it easy to navigate through various functions and settings. The tester's robust welded steel housing guarantees long-lasting durability, even in demanding production environments. Elevate your torque testing capabilities with the Advanced Witness Series AWS-30050 Intellect Torque Tester. Its versatility, accuracy, and durability make it an indispensable tool for ensuring the quality and reliability of your products. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience the ultimate in precision and efficiency.